When you understand the trend trading strategy, you are most likely to have your trading activities right each time you go into your trade. Here is an asset that we actually analyzed few days ago. This actually got to this support zone and it had this force switching from downtrend into an uptrend at this point. And so till it got to this region, came back down to get to the same support zone and it was unable to break out from there. And since it's unable to break out from there, the next thing we need to look out for is for the switching again. So it switched at this point and gave us a buy signal. And this is another opportunity for us to buy again. Okay, so check it out, but this time around it is something different. Okay, if you should check it out, based on the basic knowledge of trading, okay, this is having double bottom. Okay, just where you are seeing it. And another basic knowledge of trading says that if the chart pattern is giving you the W vibes, then it shows that the last leg of W is going to buy. Okay, that is another basic knowledge. Okay, and that is exactly what this indicator is also giving to us. Okay, it switched from a downtrend from this red color into an uptrend, which is this yellow color at this point, and it gave us a buy signal, which is the blue arrow. Okay, also at this point. And of course, another thing which we also need to consider here, just to let you know that all these are actually working together and the indicator is actually taking note of all these things together. Okay, and of course, guys, this is also at a support zone. And at the support zone, there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout to continue with the downtrend, or there is a switch from the downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, in this situation, there is no breakout, and right here we got a switch into an uptrend, that is from downtrend into an uptrend. Okay, so all this actually gives us more assurance within the platform. Okay, so you can see that the signal of the indicator is amazing. Okay, so I believe you have learned a bit of how we do the analysis here. Okay, so this is just a little out of what I am about to reveal to you guys today. Okay, but before I go ahead and reveal the rest, okay, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Now, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so this particular asset, this is FX volume 80 among 15-minute time frame. We got the buy signal here, we got the uptrend signal here. The buy signal is coming from a major support zone after trying the support zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. So we got this switch. Okay, and of course, that is a strong signal at this particular point based on everything which we have actually checked out. So we set our entry point at this point and we still set our stop loss. In case you are wondering why we are setting stop loss, despite the fact that the indicator has given us the right signal. Okay, the indicator, we analyze the markets based on the strategy used to code the indicator, but the indicator is not the owner of the market. That is, we are not the only one trading within the market. But based on general knowledge, this is the right way the indicator should analyze the market, and it has given us the right signal at this point. But it is now in our own hand to decide how we want to handle the trade. Okay, so right here I place the order and I set my stop loss. The stop loss is meant to reduce the amount I can lose in case the market decides to misbehave. Okay, so this is very, very important. It is a way of reducing the amount you are risking each time you are going into a trade. Your capital is your hard earned money, and we didn't come here to joke with it. Okay, so this is very, very important. So, with that being cleared, okay, now let's move on. So we had our entry point around there, and we had some highlighted TPs for ourselves. Okay, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it achieved all the five TPs and even went further to trade because it broke out from the resistance zone. So it gave us more opportunity to buy more if we want to buy. Okay, so you can see how powerful the trend trading strategy is. You can imagine you being in the market right from here till the end of the trend. It's amazing, guys. It is mind blowing. Now let's check out other assets. Okay, so this is another asset, Ganex 1200. I have been waiting for this particular assets to go fully on buy trend. But it seems it has been playing with this channel within this channel for a while. It tried to break out above it yesterday. But just the way you are seeing it yesterday night, I told you that it came back into the channel again, and that might actually affect it from buying at that particular point. And that was what happened. You look at it right now, it is selling because it switched back into a downtrend and gave us a downtrend signal and a sell signal at this point, and it has been selling right from there because it's still trapped in this channel. Okay, so that is it. So this is selling right now, and of course you guys can also take advantage of it. Okay, now let's check out this is Paynex 1200. Paynex 1200 has been on uptrend right from here, and of course broke out from the resistance zone at this point, got to a new resistance zone and right it switched into a downtrend and is selling. It gave us a sell signal and it has been selling since then. This is another opportunity you guys can grab. It's possible for it to get to this region. Okay, so it is a selling opportunity, and if it breaks out from here, then definitely it will sell more and may likely get to this particular spot. Now let's check out Paynex 999. Paynex 999 is another asset that has been on downtrend right from here, crashing down till it got to this particular stage. Okay, and of course this is the support zone. It went back up, and of course it has come back to that same support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to keep on selling till it gets to the next support and see if it's going to break out from there, or probably it will respect it. Okay, so FX volume 80 is the one we analyzed earlier. So now let's check out SFX volume 80. So guys, this is SFX volume 80. These have actually been playing within this region. Okay, sometimes you see an asset playing within a particular region for a very long time. So once you notice that, it is actually an opportunity for you to milk the market within that spot. If you should notice, each time it gets to the upper part of the channel, it will switch back into a downtrend and sell to the lower part of the channel. Okay, and right from there, it will switch back into the into an uptrend and buy till it get to the upper part of the channel. So this even makes trading very easy if you are planning to trade this kind of sideway trend. Okay, you just need to focus on the upper part and the lower part. Okay, and you only focus on when it switch at each stage. For instance, when it got to this support zone, that is the lower channel. Okay, it switched into an uptrend and we got a buy signal. So you plug in your trade and set your stop loss, and you keep on buying till it gets to the upper part. Okay, as it is actually as it is getting to the upper part of the channel. Once you see it switching into a downtrend, you can close that trade. That's your buy trade. Okay, and set your sell trade at that particular point and see till you get to this region. Okay, so you close here again and buy again. You close here again and sell again, just like that. Okay, so that is how you go about it. You can do that on and over and over and over again. Okay, till there is a clear breakout from the channel, either from the upper part of it or from the lower part of it. Okay, whichever one that happens, we tell you the next direction of the trend at that particular point. Okay, so this is very easy. That is why I love trend trading strategy. You can trade it in any ways. Okay, so far you are following the trend, then you are good to go. Okay, so that guys, that's all we have for today. In case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash again, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. You can see my WhatsApp details in the description box, and I'll also pin it down to the comment section. Thank you, and God bless you.